Screw Washington weather.
I have to do this now and look like I'm carrying a dead body around me for my board to not get wet. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, today I will be replacing my bad bushings. As you can see, it looks pretty. Yep, take a close look in all its glory. So, it's been a long time coming. I got my bushings here. This will be kind of a tutorial, kind of a, I don't know. I want to see if this makes my board quieter too. So, experiment / tutorial. Okay, let's start. So first, if you want to replace your bushings, you gotta unscrew this bad boy and use the bright end of the skate tool. Okay. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Okay. Got the kingpin off. It's so deformed I can't even take it off. Okay. Look at the damage on that. That's horrible. Look at this crack. Horrendous, bro. The pivot cup is tricky because you need strong hands to get it out. It's actually really hard to get out. It's really annoying. I actually got it out really fast. Faster than I expected. Okay, I'm impressed by my abilities now. New stuff. All black 99A. Okay, let's put the pivot cup in. Sponsor. Yeah, there you go. It went in perfectly. So first goes in the big washer. Put this bad boy in. And then we have Cylinder Man. And then goes on this bad boy. Then this thing. Okay. Alright, so we got the nut on. Okay. So I replaced the bushings. I wish I could ride it right now, but it's... Should I ride it in the rain anyway?
No.
Okay, so when I had my old bushings, my board was really loud, and it probably still is. I don't know what the board sounds like now, but yeah, it used to be horrendously loud. Like I'll ride by people walking the dogs, and the dogs will go bat crazy. It's insane. All right, they want to kill me. So for my own safety, I replaced these bushings in an attempt to make them quieter, the board quieter. I don't know if it'll work though. We'll see. Okay.
Down.
Let's take this bad boy to the streets. Hey guys. Okay. So can you see anything?
Not at all.
Yeah. Show the ground, show how wet it is. Yeah, okay, so as you can see, it's soaking wet. So, it's really rainy, so we're gonna have to make this quick, boys.
Side, wait, what? Some...
Yeah, it's noisy. The trucks are really... That feels better. Try? Wet now? Yeah, it's really wet. Do you see the wetness?
Yeah.
Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Catch you on the flip side. Wait, we gotta redo that. We gotta redo that. Okay.
Set. No, just stay there. Just watch him go into the distance. Start running. Goes around. Or I left his skate tool.
Alright guys, I'm gonna time travel and give it to him. Ready?